HIV is the human immunodeficiency virus, and it's contracted through having unprotected sex with someone who's infected or sharing needles with someone who's infected. It can also be passed from a mother to her child during pregnancy or through breastfeeding. So there's a lot of strategies that individuals can use to prevent HIV, but some of the best are using a barrier, typically a condom or a dental dam whenever you're having oral, anal, or vaginal sex, not sharing needles if you do inject any sort of drugs, not mixing sex with alcohol or drugs, knowing your partner's status are some of the best strategies.
One message I would give to everybody is use a condom. Wrap it up. I know we hear it every day, wrap it up. You see campaigns about it, you see commercials about it, and it's because they're really trying to drive it home. Like, HIV is nothing to be played with.
Correct and consistent use of latex condoms can greatly reduce the likelihood of transmitting HIV and some other STDs. It's important to use a condom every time because this reduces the likelihood that any bacteria or viruses will be transmitted from one person to another.
It's important to have a conversation about your status with your partner, if it be positive or be negative, because you still want somebody to know. You want them to know, I'm not walking into, or I am walking into this with something that could potentially or not potentially hurt you.
So I like to tell people it's not who you are, but what you do that puts you at risk for contracting HIV. So the HIV Risk Meter mobile app is really great. It's a free app. It's available for both iPhones, iPads, Android devices. It is something that can help an individual assess their risk for acquiring HIV and other STDs. So you'll answer a few questions based on your personal behaviors and get a personalized assessment for your risk for acquiring HIV. Additionally, it can help folks locate HIV test sites near them. It can also locate places where individuals can find free condoms, which is great and helpful for folks that may have difficulty accessing them. The app also provides a lot of prevention information. So if you just want to learn information about STDs and HIV and how to prevent the transmission, you can get that information. And if you're living with HIV, it can help you locate care in your area.
Why put yourself at risk just to have a better experience? It's really not that important. Use a condom. They might not give you the best orgasm of your life, but the best orgasm could also be the one that gives you HIV.